Making reservations in English, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of English language learning. Today, we're tackling a very practical and commonly used phrase, reservation for two. Whether you're planning to dine out, stay at a hotel, or book a service, knowing how to use this phrase can make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, let's get started and explore everything about making reservations in English. Reservation for two is a straightforward phrase that is used to book a spot for two people. The word reservation means arranging in advance to use a service or space, and when you add for two, you're specifying that the booking is intended for two individuals. This phrase is most commonly used in restaurants, but it can also apply to hotel bookings, tickets for events, or any situation where securing a spot in advance is necessary. 1. Restaurants. When you want to have a meal at a restaurant and ensure you have a table, you say, "I'd like to make a reservation for two," or simply, "Reservation for two, please." This is especially important during busy times or at popular places. 2. Hotels. Booking a room for two? Inform the staff by saying, "We need a reservation for 2 nights for 2 people." 3. Events and services. Whether it's a concert, a spa day, or a guided tour, using this phrase can help you secure your spot without confusion. Making a reservation involves more than just stating the phrase. Here's a simple guide. 1. Initiate the conversation politely. Start with a greeting and a polite request. For example, "Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for two." 2. Provide details. Be ready to give details such as the date, time, and any special requests you might have. 3. Confirm the reservation. Always make sure to confirm the details of your reservation. You can ask, "Could you please confirm the reservation details for me?" To help you get comfortable with making reservations, here are a couple of scenarios to practice. Scenario 1. You're planning a dinner date. Practice how you would call a restaurant to book a table. Scenario 2. Imagine you're traveling and need to book a hotel room. How would you specify your booking needs? There you have it, a simple guide to using the phrase, reservation for two, in English. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in making reservations, whether for dining, staying, or enjoying a service. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use this phrase next time you're planning something special for two. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.